So one of my previous videos, I made a black hand. I have it over here for the ones who have not seen it. This is a much larger hand, and it's a. My wife wrote on the messenger that it looks creepy, little creepy. That's how she called it. So anyway, so I printed this one, and this one is has everything. It has the cushion on the inside, cushion in here, and the palm is all screwed in, and then these straps are installed, and they're Velcro, so you can adjust it based on the child's hand. So this one is definitely finished the way it would go to the to some needy kid. Let me just show you that how it works. And this is for a child that has maybe missing fingers and have working wrist. So the wrist goes inside here, and then this part here goes over here on this part, and then you Velcro it in, and off you go, have fun. And I'm just going to make a quick little video about this, and I did not record all the steps because, as I said, there's a lot of videos again out there that are much better than I can probably produce, and I will try to put in a description the where you can look at it up. Okay. You have a great day. Give me thumbs up, and goodbye.